number of participants in the Jalsa Ghana is Ghana. The attendance given to me is 39,000 people, right?
Yes, Huzur, correct.
It seems as you are getting hard of hear.
I didn't hear Huzur well.
Achha. So the total number present here in Masroor Hall is 1,333. Total number present here in Masroor Hall, Islamabad, is 1,333. And almost 300 Africans are present here. Huh? I am correct. Were you able to listen to my speech or not?
We have. We listen to your speech fully. And we listen fully to your speech. And I want to believe that the number in UK added to our number here, we should be more than 40,000.
Okay. All right. It might be more than 40,000, but the way you are showing your gesture, it seems that you could not listen to my speech.
Huzur, we listened to your speech fully, very clearly, and we understood and heard each and every word, each and every sentence, and it went into the heart of each and every one of us.
Okay. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum to all the people there. So show me this. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.